Welcome biohackers and health enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of biohacking, where science meets self-improvement. If you're ready to optimize your health and performance, you're in the right place. Let's get started. So, what exactly is biohacking? At its core, biohacking is all about making lifestyle changes to hack your body's biology for optimal health and performance. It's a journey that ranges from simple tweaks to advanced interventions. In biohacking, we focus on three primary areas: our physical environment, what we put into our bodies, and the technologies we use to enhance our physiological functions. But remember, it's crucial to start small to ensure sustainability. One of the most exciting advancements in biohacking is vagus nerve stimulation. By stimulating the vagus nerve, we can influence our body's stress response, sleep, digestion, and overall well-being. This is Pulsetto, a cutting-edge device that makes vagus nerve stimulation accessible and user-friendly. Biohackers like Brian Johnson and Ben Greenfield are already using this in their daily routine. With its portability, ease of use, and customizable programs via an accompanying app, Pulsetto is revolutionizing biohacking. Now let's talk about dietary supplements. These can fill nutritional gaps, enhance cognitive function, and support overall health. But remember, always consult with healthcare professionals before starting any new regimen. Some commonly recommended supplements include omega-3 fatty acids for brain health, vitamin D for immune function, and magnesium for sleep and stress management. Biohacking isn't just about gadgets and supplements. It's about lifestyle changes too. Optimizing sleep, practicing mindfulness, staying active, and maintaining a balanced diet are all key components. And stay tuned because we'll dive deeper into sleep biohacking in our next video. Now, how do you integrate these biohacking strategies into your daily life? Start by choosing one area to focus on and gradually add more over time. Track your progress and adjust your strategies based on your personal response and goals. In summary, biohacking is about making informed, intentional changes to improve your health and performance. It's a journey, not a destination. I encourage you to explore biohacking further, starting with accessible tools like Pulsetto for vagus nerve stimulation. Share your biohacking experiences in the comments below and join us on this incredible journey. Until next time.